Good morning, dear viewer. Short update regarding BTC, Solana, NEO, SPX. What we saw yesterday, it was a big scary dump. So we broke these two relatively equal highs to the downside, or we had a retrace from these two relatively equal highs to the downside, but now we get a break. Like I said yesterday, this to me still resistance. This part here. Actually, I think I marked it like so. We are getting a break above this resistance, so I expect soon we get some kind of a pump. I'm not overly excited. Still, we are nearing the end of the cycle. I see two main scenarios if I was right, or should I say three? First one, like I would say mildly bearish. Mildly bearish is this. We had a 1, 2, 3, so ABC down. Now we get an ABC up, and then an ABC down for a double zigzag. That's still possible. So I'm still watching this trend line here. I'm still watching it for a break to the downside. If it happens, I will be looking for an exit. Somebody on Ramon's Discord asked me, where does this trend line trace to? So for me, it holds on or latches on to these lows here. And now we have a confirmation of a trend. One is pure chance, 2 is coincidence, 3 is a pattern or a trend. So now the trend is confirmed, and we are experiencing higher lows of the same trend line. To me, it screams that we should go higher. What else do we have here? So one scenario was mildly bearish, ABC down, ABC up. So this is our wave W, X, and then Y. So that's one possibility. Second possibility, then I have to go on 4 hour. Second possibility is this is an ending diagonal. So we had the beginning here. This is where the first wave ended. Then we get a 3 down. Now we get a 3 up. 1, 2, 3. Now then we get a 3 down. Again, a 3 up. Maybe we don't have to break the high, and then we go down. That's one possibility. And the most bullish possibility, so this is like the mid-tier bullish possibility. Now the biggest bullish possibility I see at the moment for the wave 5 to be finished is if I pull fibs here. You see how they react as resistance here. Then we get a squeeze up to the bottom of this consolidation, of this area of low liquidity. When I say low liquidity, I mean there's no advantage to either side for bears or bulls in this area. It's like nobody's putting any orders in here. Shorts are here, longs are here. There's no advantage. And to me, if we get an explosive move up, so that means we could easily do this, then consolidate somewhere here, pierce the bottom of this channel, and then get a big rejection before we could go back up again. And what does this remind me of? Now let's go to NEO. Like I said yesterday, and now I have to go back to 1 hour chart. Like I said yesterday, to me this was a correction. This moved down A, consolidation B, C. What I wanted to have, you can view my videos or check out my videos. I said to be bullish, it needs to go at least to this level. It went to the level. I said what I'm going to do is just pull a simple fib up and then buy below 0.5 up until to the golden pocket. This is what I did. You see my long is open. I'm already in profit, in good profit. Like you see, these lines are reacting already, these resistances, but I'm looking for this coin to actually break the high here. So I'm probably going to close around about 50% here, let the rest run and see where it can get us. But there's a striking similarity to BTC. Yeah? So that's to me the same situation here. So I said this is our A, this is our consolidation B, triangle. I know that there's another dump coming, and then that should be the last wave. C, then I said it needs to come back to at least 23,850. You can check my in Roman's Discord if you're there. This is exactly where it came to. And then I said 23,850 rejection. We got the rejection. Then I saw an A, B, C. This is where I was adding to my position, and then we get a move up. And to me, the situation is similar to NEO, in the sense that I want to see at least those highs broken. Those here. Here is where I will close around about 50% of my position, let the rest run. I will be at break even. And hopefully it gets there. Hopefully we don't get the X wave and then down. If we do, I'm probably going to close at break even. NEO. Now we have Solana. Solana is a little bit earlier in the cycle. It's lagging behind a little bit. So we get A, consolidation triangle B, C, and now what we got is not enough confirmation that this is a bullish setup. I was going in blind. I showed you before I was buying in these areas here, and I think I added yesterday here. And I was hoping there will be no break of the lows. We did not break the lows, so what I'm expecting at the minute is we get some kind of a move up at least until here. Then we get a rejection, and then another move up, which should take out the highs here. So if this happens, I'm just going to pull up a fib. And I'm not sure where should I put it. I think I will start it here. I think this should retrace this move up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull a simple fib up. I'm going to hide this one here so that it does not distract us. 50% is exactly here. Here's where my orders sit, starting with this up until the golden pocket. Stop losses for this position here, waiting for more upside. But the condition is this level needs to be reached. This consolidation here needs to be reached. Hopefully the middle of it, at least. So let's see how this plays out. What could happen here? What's the bearish scenario? The bearish scenario is we are not done going down yet. And the way I would see it, and I think I will hold this position, to be honest. I don't see anything that would scream that this is some kind of an impulse down and that there's a direction change, let's say, in the chart. So what could happen here is we could float up. This is our some kind of a falling wedge, or whatever you call it. That's an ending diagonal, and then we get a move up to this level. That's how I'm going to play it. Let's see what happens. I'm moderately bullish. I'm really feeling sorry for those guys that want to short this. I don't see a short setup here, to be honest. I don't see a short setup yet. I was itching and I was tempted to have a short here, but I don't want to put blind bids in as a counter trend. I mean, the overall trend is bullish. The overall trend is bullish, which is easily recognizable. We have higher highs on the chart, higher lows, sorry, on the chart, higher highs on the chart. So I would not want to go full on shorting this. I think we need to see at least like a 5-wave move down, or maybe or a break of this trend line before we can short. Hope that explains it. Thanks a lot. Have a very good day. Bye bye.